Can you just please tell us that what you are bringing to the IBW event?
So firstly, thank you to the Flying Shirt for coming to our stall. So for people who don't know us, we are Tiivra. Tiivra is Sanskrit for intense. So we make India's lightest composite fiber helmet. It's weighing in at 1350 grams. And this is our range. We have 5 alter egos that you could choose from. Right now, we have helmets from small to extra large. And we have everything. So everything about this helmet is made in India. You have all the spares available. You have cheek pads. Even the vents are replaceable. In case you break the vents, you can replace the vents too. So all the parts are available from Point Go, and this is priced at around 9,800.
I guess you guys also have thigh bags and stuff, yeah?
So we also have a lot of other products that we sell. We have almost everything. You can say we have jerseys, balaclavas, sleeves, gloves. There are 2 variations, a dual sport and a street. We also have compression socks. We have jeans that we are making with Italian manufacturer, and we have thigh bags. We have the new version of it coming out. We have a lot of products. We have t-shirts also now. So yes, we have a lot of products.
Thank you for making such kind of things in India. Thank you very much.
We aim to be the best. Thank you.
Thank you.